More information about this aircraft is located in the seat pocket in front of you. We ask that you take a few moments to review this important safety information. Please help us prepare the cabin for departure. Check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is closed and locked, and your carry-ons are properly stowed completely beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. If you're traveling in the first class cabin, please make sure that your seat back is in the full upright position. If you're seated next to a window, please raise your window shades for takeoff. Laptops and items equivalent in size must be stowed during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Small personal electronic devices may be used anytime during the flight. Devices with transmittal features must be placed in airplane mode. However, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi usage are allowed. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of any type of electronic smoking device, is not permitted at any time on board the aircraft. For your safety, our lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Federal regulations prohibit the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of any installed detector. Your compliance with the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions is required. Your reading light control and flight attendant call button are located on the panel just above you. Please call on us if we can be of any assistance to you during the flight. On behalf of all of us at Hawaiian Airlines, thank you very much for choosing to fly with us. Mahalo nui loa and enjoy your flight.
In the unlikely event, officer mask blocks the compartments above your seats, so please remove any personal face covering prior to donning. Mahalo.
Now that we're in the air, we'd like to call your attention to the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. Again, smoking, including the use of any electronic smoking device, is not permitted at any time. If the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, that means you can get up if you need to. But we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. And one final reminder, please make sure you've put all your electronic devices in airplane mode and turned off their transmittal capabilities. Mahalo nui loa.